fine. Alright, welcome back to my 9PS7 Matchday vlog, back home, Hashtag Utd, woohoo! We are back for league action against Cray Wanderers. So they are down there in the table, but their form showing different, you know, 1 win, 3 draw and 1 loss. And you look at the draws, 1-1, 2-2, 3-3. And I'm like, maybe 4-4 today. You never know. Hashtag Utd on brilliant form, 4 win, 1 draw. Like in September month, we never lose. I don't think we lost 1 game in September because Jay is always scared manager of the month every September. I don't know why, but gotta be Christmas spirit. So let's go win this game. Apparently you're a bit not happy what I done to you in your last video.
Yeah, because I'm speaking absolute facts. Arteta don't know what he's doing. Right?
Alright, so the thing is, no, Freddie, no Arsenal, alright? This is hashtag football.
No Arsenal.
Today, I'd like a takeaway, so
okay, whose player get a hat-trick?
I'd like a hat-trick. But I had a little bit of conversations.
From tomorrow?
Shush, Riley. A little bit of inside information. I got my money on PK today. PK looks up for it. He's been jogging up and down there.
Okay.
Yeah. But I'd like H to get a goal because he's long overdue a goal. So you know.
That is true. That is true.
You know, he hasn't scored
because he'd been slide tackle again yellows.
Yeah, suspended.
It's about time you get a goal for you.
Yeah, obviously, and he better come and celebrate me. Harry, if you're watching this, probably not, but if you are, come celebrate with me if you score a goal.
Alright, Aaron, I've got your Christmas card, so I don't need any attendant order. Harry, you got top of the pile. There we go. Put up the pile. Alright.
Matt, was I top?
No, he's top.
Was I top of the pile though?
No, Aaron got 100%. Adam.
Hi.
Merry Christmas.
Thank
top
you.
of the pile. Second out the bet order because his name AA, you're AD. Yeah. Works. Right, let's go. Come on, boys. Let's go. Oh, did you climb over or? 2 minutes in, Toby was through, take a shot, keeper mate are brilliant. Let side this side. Hey, never mind. Petro. Oh, go on. Well, I did not see it. Oh, what don't I see?
Drink blending! Why is Harry just standing there? Oh!
Don't kiss him!
That's too high, Go ahead, Harry! Oh, Harry. Oh. Yes, it hit his hand, but I don't think that's a clear handball for the penalty. I don't think it is. But Toby, again Toby, like, hey Lincoln, when Toby there, he can't score. When Toby over there, he can score. Every time.
He'll score from the corner spot, but you won't score attacking.
1 yard or 2 yard out.
Monday, is there?
Yeah. Referee, thank you. Yeah, same. Oh! Really? Goodbye.
Harry was the last defender, so he should have been sent off. But the pitch is amazing, and the fact that their number 5 has been sent off is even better.
No, Connor, what happened was that Matty and their number 5 were in an argument.
Yeah, no, I see that.
Number 5 just went
but that all started. That all started because their number 5. Sorry.
Yeah, it's fine, it's fine, it's fine.
Harry pulled the bloke down as last defender, so should have been sent off.
Yeah, he should, but
because there was a scrap,
Did he even
the
get a
ref.
yellow?
He got a yellow. I didn't see nothing.
Tomo got it.
Yeah, but Tomo was thrown.
Tomo,
punches,
yeah.
So he should have got a yellow. But the fact Harry's still on the pitch baffles my mind. And the fact that don't score.
Oh my god.
Stop, don't score.
No, when you I've got, who's this? And I'll put,
That's how it was. It's Harry with his arm behind the player to then fall and pull him down. But there's been a lot of that. So
I missed it, so can you... Why not you explain, please?
Peugeot crossed the ball in. Misha trying to
Move back.
no. Peugeot crossed the ball in. Misha trying to flick, keeper, butterfingers, knee spill it. Got a rebound.
Yeah, should be 1-0. Yeah.
I agree.
How? Oh, if someone was there, man. Sure. Is it? Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Fish. Right.
Come on, come on.
He swung. No, 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 no.
I just farted. Oh, do you want to smell it?
Welcome back.
Thank you.
Good tits.
No, no.
I like it. Oh. Good tits. Oh, you absolute dildo. What the fuck is that?
Alright, I just realised you always swear, so get out. Get out. Get out. Leave. Leave. Go with morning. Go with Gray. No.
Gone!
Where is it? Oh, there. Yes! 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 Luke Parrott finally scored! Stone, come on!
he scores when
He won! Luke Parrott! This is what you won! Ah!
It's going.
Oh. It's not your phone, Nathan. Not yours. No, no. Go away. Go away. Sorry, guys. No, don't score. Don't score.
My balls, this is crazy. Crazy stuff. What was that? Bang it! Bang it!
No, 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 no. Shut up. Shut up, Noah. See, what did I tell you? Ban it doesn't work. It doesn't.
See that? They just got twisted.
You just kept your mouth
They just
shut.
got jerked off.
Oh, lost your half your age.
Clothesline.
You could.
I'm gonna punch that child.
Gosh, that. No, that's out. That's out. Who was that? 80, yeah. Look, we're going to score here, Josh. And then you'll be all happy again. Look, 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 look. Oh, okay.
You thought you was that guy, and you're not that guy.
Bye, Josh.
You lost! He's been blessed with the holy water!
Oh! I got the ball! Yeah! I got the ball!
Well done, you.
I got the ball!
Shoo!
Whack it!
Oh. 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 How you? Oh, so close. Just under 30 seconds to go. It's 1-0.
Under 30 seconds?
It's 1-0.
It's 1-0.
Let's make sure we win.
Let's make sure we win.
Oh no.
Oh yes.
No.
Oh no.
Yeah, we're fine. That's it, ref.
Okay.
Ref, that's it.
That's it, ref. That's it. Heard from the man himself. Oh.
Oh. Come on. Oh. And that's it. Wow. Don't worry, Jack. Don't worry. We'll take 3 points. We'll take 3 points. Well done, boys. Come on.
He should have scored that.
Yeah, I know.
Well done, Max.
Well done, Cap. Clean sheet. We'll take it. Well done, mate. Clean sheet. We'll take it. Yes, Lou. Got your goal. Well done. Well done. Well done, clean sheet. Clean sheet. Let's go. Well done, Pedro. Well done, Harry. Clean sheet. We take it. You alright, Sam?
Yes, come on, 3 points.
Well done. Well done. Well done.
Well done, Mish.
Well done, Mish.
Merry Christmas.
Well done, Toby. Well done, PK. Well done, Nathan. Clean sheet. Well done, Sap. Yeah, move back. Well done, Def's clean sheet. We love it.
No worries, no worries.
Well done, Tomo. Clean sheet. We love it.